Oh, look at the lamb, the chef there.
I do?
You look disheveled. You look like you're on vacay.
I am.
Oh, but you look nice, like fresh faced, like holiday. Yeah. Like I can't go fresh faced.
I don't find I do. I just find I don't care enough.
Oh, I think it's because of your green eyes. We're waiting for the 1:30 mark to go live.
Why
over on IG. Because I came off the chair and I came back on the chair and I'm going to go back off the chair at 1:30.
So you just wiggling around?
I just wiggle around.
Like your worms in your butt?
Yeah. Sometimes you get worms in your butt, you know?
No, we had to play that song today about worms in the butt, that worm medicine song.
Yeah, because the kids like anything to do with doo-doo, worms in the butt. They're like, can you play the song if you have worms in? I'm like, Levi, how do you even know that song? You heard it on TV. Crazy kids, man. They're out there. They're going to spy on us.
Kids are out there.
Hi, Joe!
Hi!
Hello, everybody. Maybe I should lower this camera and point it up somewhere. Then we're going to be more like this. Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the vacation bedroom and bring you in here for a full hour of fun, frolic, and
foolishness. Actually, that's a lie. Today we might not do a full hour because you're taking up my vacation time. Okay,
whoa,
people,
whoa.
you're taking up my vacation time. Anyway, I want to talk about my look today. So I'm doing the whole Kim Kardashian accept the black marks under your eyes look. Kim Kardashian has now posted a lot of pictures where she's not wearing as much makeup. The first time Kim Kardashian has done something other than her Skims line that I really appreciate.
yeah?
Dark circles are in, everyone! What?
Sorry, I put on a little powder because I don't want to be, you know, Anyway, guys, we are here. Happy Emancipation Day, which Jamaica celebrated its Emancipation Day yesterday. We are in Trelawney at the house that my dad used to own. That's, you know, I kick him in the ass every time he sold it. But we are here at the newly renovated Queen's Cottage here in Silver Sands, Trelawney. And
Peachy mint.
we should have brought more of these.
Mango passion, lightly spiced.
Lightly spiced. I am drinking a grapefruit rosemary watermelon. Spicy, because you know I like things spicy. So we are sipping on some Lady Bee Mixology. We're bringing it all the way from town because you know we had to I feel like this is a nice vacation vibe, you know, spicy and lightly spicy watermelon. Oh, his straw is dirty. Looks like lipstick on it. Ew, gross. They have dirty straws in this place. It's disgusting.
Ah, were you drinking my thing?
I was not drinking it, Tracy. I tasted it. That's all. I like taste.
What all ever?
Tricky is all, well, this year, last year, the look because...
Oh yeah, I took the vaccine last year and was lying down in bed and came to you guys from under the sheets.
Yes, Tracy was knocked out last year as she was freshly vaccinated. But we don't talk about COVID in the closet.
No.
No, we don't touch on those harsh issues. But did you hear about Spice? So from what I hear, Spice is dropping an album on August 19th and I will be buying it. And not only that, so Spice is doing a back to school special and she has on her page, I believe it's 3 different ways that you can donate money to be able to help the children with her back to school special. I forget what day it is. If I'm in town, I'm definitely going to go by and help. And of course, I gave some money yesterday because, you know, if my bestie said jump, I'm already in the air asking her, oh, hey. So depends on when our back to school special is. I'll be going to help give out. Actually, she didn't even ask me to, but I'll just pass by to be like, nice face. And be creepy in the corner. Need some help? Hey.
So creepy. And on a not creepy note, I'd like to send a birthday shout out to It's Just Patrice. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
Wow, you're really trying. You're doing like falsetto and shit. You're like,
Your lashes look so good, my girl.
Thank you very much. And they're mine lashes. How was New York? We dealt with New York last week, man. We dealt with New York last week. We are dealing with a new vacation now. How is the super goop working for you? Is that must be to you? The super goop. I just ordered a new super goop, the spray resetting one.
I didn't like it. It was too sticky on my skin.
Really? The spray one?
I'm now using this sunblock called. It's very cheap, and I got it from
Amazon.
This, yeah, honestly. But this girl named Cassandra Bankston. And she's a blogger. I bought some sunblocks that she recommended. And
it's not her line.
No, she recommended, and I tried out this one. It's called Fruida or something like that. It was $9. Because a lot of the ones I buy are like $40.
Alright, so what I'll do is Tracy's going to give me the link and I'll drop the link to the sunblock. Is that the one in the blue pot?
No, the one in the blue pot is my Korean sunblock that I wear every day under my makeup.
So I'll drop the links to both of these sunblocks in the link below. Also, a friend of mine just recommended an app to me. She knows I'm in the country, so she's like, are you guys using the banana boat sunblock? Sunblocks have a lot of carcinogenic ingredients in there, especially the banana boat. They just recently did a recall for having benzenite in their products. So you can download this app called Yuka, Y-U-K-A, and you scan the barcode on food products, on cosmetic products, and it will tell you whether this product is good for you to ingest or to use on your skin. And I find that very helpful. But also I've been scanning all of my sunblocks, not Supergoop, but I noticed that a lot of them are rated poor on this Yuka scale, where you get the frog from. So a lot of the times when you go to resort places, they get their items from, oh Lord, what is Mrs. Slim's store's name again? I drove down to her Thailand Crescent.
I don't know, you know.
So
she's a store in Retirement.
It's a store.
We'll have to put that down in the link below too.
I'll ask mommy.
No, the
dress is from Amazon. It's from Jamaica, from a lady. I don't even know if her name now is Mrs. Slim, but she sells her products. She brings things in and then she sells them to resorts. So I drove down to Retirement Crescent because I know some of a deal. And
how come you just have a bag of snacks in your room?
What are you talking about?
Jodi,
what are you talking about?
A bag of snacks.
That's not what that is. How do you know what that is?
I know, right?
So that's what I bought to keep with me in my bag for traveling, and just so I don't mix it up with anything else, I had to make sure it said snacks, you know? Well, I don't want you to think it's makeup or, you know, cosmetics or, you know, snacks.
Totally.
Everything must have a home, Tracy. You must be neat. Everything must have a home, and I love a case. I love a container.
I need to actually do something about my packing cases and stuff like that. I just do like this and everything goes into it.
Well, I've actually been trying to incorporate packing cubes into my packing regime. It's a little bit difficult for me because I have my method, but I do find that when I use the packing cubes, it has been helpful and the things don't shift around in the suitcase that much. So Black Girl sunscreen, yep, that's a good one. I've heard about that one. I've actually been trying to finish what I have before I buy more, but yes, I did hear Black Girl sunscreen, and I believe you can get Black Girl sunscreen. I think I saw some at Manor Park Pharmacy. Packing cubes. So I do have 2 sets of packing cubes, and I bought a second set because the first set don't work. It's the same ratted cube, a different color. I am going to try a little bit more.
How can a packing cube not work?
Just relax yourself, Trey, because I'm.
You think it helps? Is
that you? This one, girl, that's you.
It's not me.
Mine don't smell, but it's wetty.
It doesn't smell.
It doesn't smell.
What was that? You caught that whiff though.
I caught that.
It's not me. That's the word.
What was that whiff?
I don't know.
You poop. As Remi would say.
No, Mommy, it's the mango and the rum.
Oh, okay.
It's the mango and the rum.
Somebody says Road Ready TV is so good, guys. Thank you so much. Buy the Cabana. We need some Buy the Cabana while we're here. Buy the Cabana.
No, I know. I love her.
Guys, please make sure you head on over to YouTube and check out Road Ready TV. I now have a new reality show, and it's about carnival, the carnival culture, a little bit of travel and leisure. So, you know, I'm taking you on the journey as I go and test out different carnivals around the globe. Our first stop was in Orlando for Carnival, and on Friday head on over to Road Ready TV over on YouTube, and I'm going to discuss
anyway, I shot
where the next carnival is that we're going to.
Anyway, I shot a video, guys.
You shot a video?
Yeah, I did
what
a
kind
recipe.
Of video? Oh, I was like, you did a video?
Yeah, I did a recipe, guys. So I'm going to drop that video. When can we drop it?
I don't know, guys. Do you want to drop it today?
We can drop it
Tracy
today.
did a cooking video.
It's good.
It's good?
It's good.
Alright, so today head on over to our YouTube channel. We're going to have 2 videos for you. We're going to have this video, which will be in high definition over on YouTube, and the lighting is way better on YouTube. Like, you're going to like, look at that. I have a very simple makeup. I should have shot this makeup look. I did this makeup look in 2 minutes.
No, you did not. You've been in here a while, and we've had the kids battling with naked Remi, naked Stevie, and Levi, who thinks he's now 14 years old.
Well, I was in here in the AC. Sorry, we had to battle that.
Our cousins are here, and every day Levi about.
Where's cousins? I'm like, the cousins are teenagers. They're probably outside smoking.
They're 20 and 17, and Levi thinks he's of age. Like, so crazy. He's so funny. He went to this one. Are the cousins awake? So I was like, you know what? Let's go over there. So Levi went.
What you cooked? Can you reveal what you cooked?
I did a sushi bake.
It was so good. It was so good and surprisingly simple. Like, of course, Tracy was all hectic, and at one point I walked in the kitchen. I'm like, are you choosing that for YouTube? Yes. I'm like, well, you need to charge for it. Well, I'm not gonna bother anymore. Stevie was crying over here. Everybody was hungry over there. We're all drinking bottles.
And Scott is like behind me like this. Can I taste? Can I taste? And I'm like, let me just finish doing this.
So head on over to YouTube. We're gonna drop both videos. This video for this Tuesdays with Tricky will be dropped right away, and then let's premiere the video this evening.
Sure.
So this evening, join us at
7?
You need to organize yourself for what time. Are you going to be there to write and be like, hey guys?
Yeah, we eat at 7. Scott is putting
okay,
to bed
so
at
at 7 o'clock, Tracy's going to premiere her video over on YouTube of how she made her sushi bake, and it was relatively simple. I believe I could do it. Or I would just ask Gracie to make it for me. Have the cousins come on. What do you think the cousins would do?
Yeah, my cousins are pretty cute still.
They're pretty cute. They're from the so we have my father's father has a lot of
so my father's father actually is from Buffalo, New York.
That's not where they originated from.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is, and he left to come to Jamaica and started the first advertising agent, Grandpa Edgar.
Yeah, but they started off in Buffalo, New York?
Yes, that's where
so how is he American Indian? He came to Jamaica and got the dark one.
His mother is American Indian.
Okay, but it's funny because the ones that stayed in the States, they're white.
Yeah.
And then my father's father came back and he's like,
he went to
American Indian looking like darker.
Yeah, he went to Hawaii first, and he was living in Hawaii, and then he came to Jamaica. But like he just got like really brown out here.
Let's see if Ryan is available. He's kind of cute. And he's not kind of. He is cute.
He's cute. My cousin. His shoulders are so broad.
He's a lifeguard.
Yeah, he's a lifeguard. His shoulders are like super broad. Yeah, he's cute. He's cute. My cousin is cute. I mean, what did you expect though? The Stewart dreams are very.
Nobody's here.
No,
nobody's here.
They're not here.
No, nobody's here.
He's taken ladies. His girlfriend Mia.
It's just Mommy and Remi in the pool. They're all gone. So, but I was saying that it's kind of funny that like the family that stayed in the States in like the colder weather, they're all of a lighter complexion.
Yeah, because when I asked to see pictures of Grandpa's father and mother, they were pretty light.
So how did Grandpa Edgar get, like he looks, my father's father looks American Indian.
But it's just like when Timmy went to England and got white. And then he came back to Jamaica and he's super brown all over again. Like my little brother, he gets tanned like this and he gets so dark.
Like he looks very, kind of Indian. Is that a right word? I don't want to.
I think it's more Native
American. Okay. But Stevie too. Like I came here and I was like, Stevie, is that you?
I know, Stevie.
Every time Stevie goes in the sun and comes back, I'm like, hello.
Yeah, Stevie's gotten really dark too, but she's so cute.
No, she's so cute.
Oh my gosh.
Stevie's so cute.
She's so
and now she says, Mama! Like, is which eagle like, Mama! Mama!
Yeah, she's really cute though.
Hey Jodi, liking the show so far, just watched episode 3. Thank you so much. Yes, colonization. Yes, I heard that. Who do you love? Are you for sure? And we have more coming to you. So this week, Friday, we're going to be doing a YouTube live over on Road Ready TV. So if you have any questions, we're going to be discussing where we're shooting the next Road Ready. I've been drinking all day. And if you have any questions, make sure you log on.
Anyway, let me tell you about my family, right? So my family is like a fun-filled family. Coming on family vacation. Yeah, coming on a Stewart family vacation.
Nana's in the pool swimming. Nana, relax. So.
Coming on a Stewart family vacation is literally like stepping into a comedy. So yesterday my uncle JJ, but he's not uncle, he's my cousin, but anyway, he's older. He's
been drinking. If he comes back up and I hear him, I'm gonna ask him to come on and say hi.
Dude, he's so funny. Yesterday he drank so much that he couldn't even speak anymore. He was just on the chair. This is Ryan and Riley's dad, right? He was just on the chair like, oh, and then he fell asleep on the couch and slept there till 4 a.m. We're surrounded by Doritos, by the way.
Is that why those Doritos were in that, like, The fly cover.
Yes. He's so funny.
Guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you, Drew. And I just saw Indian is not a color. You're so correct, which is why I was very careful in how I chose my words.
We just don't know how
But I still chose the wrong words, so that's okay.
We don't know how to describe people anymore.
And we don't. Yes, because no matter what you do, you're gonna step on toes.
Yeah.
It's incorrect. You're gonna hurt some feelings. You're gonna have somebody. So I'm sorry. Indian is not a color. He's a little bit darker.
We need a Crayola box in here.
Yes, and then we'll show you. They'll be like, oh, it's caramel supreme. He is.
I know. But you know what? I remember when I was in school, I always used to wish that somebody would come from foreign and bring me back a box of the 64 Crayolas with the sharpener on the back.
Well, yeah, one time the crayons came with a sharpener on the back, don't it?
Yeah, but nobody ever brought that box to me.
I don't find we got a lot of things from foreign, you know.
We never got a lot of things from foreign.
And we're like, Mommy, can we get combos? Can we get everything? And Mommy's like, no, we can't afford that. And we used to get digestive cookies for the sweet thing.
And
not even banana, and not even the chocolate digestives. And I'm like, Mommy, my friends are eating pizza. I don't care.
And then she used to make pizza for us.
Yes. That was our wicked things, and I want, the making of the pizza was wicked. Like, Mommy, they wanted to say hi. They were just asking for you. Come and stand back here.
No, look how I look.
You look fabulous, Mommy. I just told you this weekend.
Off the shoulder thing,
yes, off the shoulder. Yes.
Ooh,
vacation Nana.
Go with your bad self.
What would you like?
Oh, Remi has sent me for some
snacks.
Okay. So sorry guys. Have a great show.
Thank you.
I was going to say something. What were we talking about?
I donated $2,000 to Spice. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. You can head over to Spice's page on PayPal. It's Spice Official ENT. You donate to PayPal, and she will be buying school supplies for the children's back to school special. I forget what date it is.
I was saying this a while ago. So it's one of Scott's people that he works with. What do you call those again? Co-workers. One of Scott's co-workers. Her mom always sends a barrel for her from England, right? And
When was this barrel?
And do you know that the mother sends stuff for Scott and I in the barrel? I've never received things from a barrel before, and I've gotten in my...
You know why you get things? But the lady know if you pack her barrel properly.
Yo,
yeah, so people who send barrel and can't pack barrel.
She sent tea for me, like English tea, and she said sugar. And she said
sugar.
Yes, she said rice. She said biscuits.
Oh, it's a food barrel. Because to clear a food barrel is cheaper than like a barrel with like ice.
It's the first time in my life I've ever gotten something from a barrel. So I am so excited. She sent like Ensure, like the British version of Ensure.
Yeah. What you did with the Ensure?
Huh?
What did you do with the Ensure?
Oh, I had a sip, but I don't really like milky drinks, so I gave it to
you drank it?
I gave it to Miss Rose.
What Miss Rose do with the Ensure?
She love it. She drink it.
What she do with the Ensure? She drank it?
Yeah.
Drank it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think she does? When she was at her house, I don't know if she like bathed in it or something. What do you do with the Ensure?
You don't know what to do with Ensure?
No, why?
Can change your life.
Whoa. Stay tuned. This is getting intense. Ensure is about to change our lives.
Ensure sell out on the show. Girl!
Talk to her about this.
You don't know?
No. But you're putting your boobs towards me. I don't know if I heard correctly, but that's so...
You heard correctly. You heard correctly.
I'm drinking the Lady Bee's Peachy Mint Mango Passion Lightly Spicy.
So somebody just mentioned, where is Candy Craze? Candy Craze, we left Candy Craze in town. You know, I've been very jumping from vacation to vacation, and I forgot to link Candy Craze to tell them to give me some candy. So we will be back actually next week with some more candy from Candy Craze, and I will wash it down with some Ensure. You want some Ensure?
I'm not sure about this. This is the same Ensure that I'm drinking that you're drinking.
You open the cover, right? But instead of putting it till it, just put it a little further away and let it tunnel down, and then you drink.
No man, stop that.
Full of calcium, vitamins, well, double the calcium.
So anyway, we're here on vacation.
But you're blushing like you know.
I don't know.
You're blushing like you know.
There's something else I know that.
Sweden, but I'm good.
Those straws are horrible.
You know, I hope the turtles are living their best aquatic life because... But you're like eating the straw.
I'm not eating the straw. I'm just trying to drink the juice, which is super hard. So anyway, we're on family vacation and the walls are very thin.
What? What?
Scott, there will be no insurance. Scott has been begging, but there will be no insurance.
Oh, I thought you were talking about in my room, and I was like, you must be hearing the kids crying. My kids, who I make sure they stay up late, like 8:30, so they're all tired.
No, so I said to Jodi yesterday, because her kids go to bed and then she comes out like 5 minutes later. So I'm like, Jo, how do you get your kids to just go to sleep without you? She's like, no, they're in there. And I'm like, so are they sleeping? She's like, well, yeah, I'm going to assume so. So I'm like, well, how do you do that? She's like, well,
they come out, I beat them.
Yeah, she's like, I put them in the bed. I tell them to stay in the room. She's like, I'm sure they're in there fighting, playing thump with each other, but they know not to leave the room, so they're good. Like, okay.
That's been the hardest thing, like going on vacation and then they share a bed because they don't usually share a bed at home. So I guess I know it is exciting for them. I know it's fun for them. They can play, they can talk. And at first, the very first vacation we went to, I can't remember which one it was, running out to me, bro hit me, bro was talking, bro was. But then, you know, I'm just like, guys, go to bed. I'm not playing with you. The first night, Remi was putting her fingers under the bathroom door, and I'm like, Remi, I'm not playing with you. Get into the bed. But they know, like last night, they were so tired though, and I was like, you know what? Get into the bed. And Levi sleeps at the edge with a chair blocking. Remi sleeps in the middle, and I have to use pillows. Remi wants to be my deodorant. They were teasing me all yesterday that Remi is my deodorant. And I have to put pillows to block off my side, but it's been fun.
How am I going to drink this? I want it so bad and I don't know how to get to it.
Because, girl, you're yamming down. And you've never used Ensure? I feel like it's right up your alley. Go look under the coffee machine, you'll find some more straws. Because I'm just not understanding why you can't suck like a regular person, or what? We are barefoot. We are barefoot. We are at our vacation house. So I said, seriously, I'm trying to see what some of the comments are. Tracy drunk. Tracy never drunk yet. Jodi, I love to organize your down to earth, humble, taking care of the
humble. Wait, who wrote that? Who wrote that?
When I'm ready to show off, I'll show off.
Okay.
For show off.
Jodi's just breathing.
Tracy just learned the word breath. No insurance family vacation, I agree. No behavior. The quintessential Scorpio, I love it. I am fine, thanks. Love how tricky drunk. Yes, man, we'll get tricky drunk today. Drink up, girl, drink up. It's family vacation.
Don't do that, you know, because Scott is raring.
I think they can. I'll ask Gregor to get us an insurance. Get you an insurance.
It's messy. Scott doesn't like food that way.
No? Tricky snapback game is on 100 for sure.
Ah, thank you.
Look here. Stop boosting. Why me bother read out that comment at all?
What? Is that it? Yeah? Let the haters from the comments come on down here.
There were no haters, Trey. There were no haters. No. The haters are only on the observer comments.
I know. The observer had some really mean comments. That was awful. Made me feel
we spoke about that already, so let's not touch on it again, because you showed me something else last night that, you know, I can't believe there's people out there that still body shame. You know what I mean? Like, I don't, anyway, whatever. Not gonna touch on that again. Set good, she set good like Tracy! I didn't even realize what you were doing. Maybe I can get the number for Charlene's store. On Retirement Road, they do retail as well.
Yeah.
I'm going to try and get the address for Charlene's store. I think I need to ask. It was Paul Barber that told me the name of the store. You know, he has a number saved. I'll ask him. So go on over to YouTube. I'm going to try and get the name and the address for the store, and you can head on over. So what I'm wearing today, it's very simple. I've actually made one myself. So it is just a.
Why did you have to throw in? I've actually made one myself. Always having to be.
Because I like
always having to be my.
So it has.
Why do you look naked?
So we go like this. You can tie it in different ways. You can tie it up here like this in a cross. You can tie it over to one shoulder depending on how your breasts stay. Right? I paid for my breasts to stay good. And then you can also. How did I have it again?
Should I do my hair out?
Like this. So I'm going to try and get the number for Charlene's store. and tag it in the comment section. And it's cut, see? It's more wrap because it's very see-through and it comes in different colors, solids, prints.
Do you wash your hair every day on vacation?
Hell no. I washed my hair last night because I swam, but I'm not swimming today. I can't bother every day with the wash. It's too much, man.
It's too much. And I haven't washed my hair in 2 or 3 days. I haven't even combed it, so anyway, here it is.
But if chlorine goes in there, maybe I would leave the salt, but the chlorine I'm not gonna.
The bikini on the inside is a gold bikini.
It's a gold bikini, and this is by a Jamaican brand. No, this is a Jamaican brand. I think it's polka dots. Yes, my darling.
Is it fine if
I take
They want to see how my cousin looks. Alright, this is Riley. I'm on Instagram live. We have a couple people are gonna see. You want to come on? This is Riley. This is Riley Stewart. What you want to do?
Riley wants to take me on
Yeah, can I take him for a ride in our golf cart?
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
Get your shoes, Levi.
How many viewers we got?
We have 300 viewers, and then down here we have my YouTube.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah. You guys be careful. You don't need the jacket. You don't need the jacket. Be careful, grab your shoes.
It's Jamaica. I don't think you need a jacket,
No,
Levi.
Levi, come in like a bleachers.
Let's go.
Alright, have fun.
The snacks are outside.
Snacks? What snacks is in it? Yes, that is
I
Riley.
need to call Arlene.
We have to see.
Let me just say.
Hi, Arlene. I'm a little busy right now. Proper white boy. Very sweet, very sweet. And he's now taking Levi on a little tour of the park. What happened? Ask Nana. She took the whole snack bag outside. Finally caught alive. Who's here? Jodi asked you a question about cooking for your husband. I saw a question about cooking for your husband, and wife, I don't know if you think of. I saw a question about cooking for your husband, and many a wife don't do what you and Tracy do. So, you know what? So here's the thing. Close the door. I'm gonna lock it. I don't like to cook. I don't like to cook. Not saying that I can't cook. Also, I can read. So I can follow a recipe.
She's a terrible cook, even with her recipe.
No, Tracy, come on, stop that. I'm not terrible. No, I'm not Tracy.
Jodi.
Oh, Tracy, the one time the chicken was raw, the potatoes
Jodi,
were
it was
under.
one time.
It was one. Okay, it was twice.
The other day and it was raw.
Because I don't want you to keep asking me to cook. But okay, when I first lived with Sean, and we had
can do a few
lady
select dishes.
That's fine. That's fine. And I cook. I can make the best mackerel rundown you've ever had, though.
I mean, like, you haven't made it very often, so.
No, because I don't like to cook. So when I first lived with Sean, I did cook for him every night, and I found that my cooking skills got better. I am not an amazing cook.
They reached level 3.
Out of what, Tracy?
10.
Tracy, okay, just because you know how to use char siu sauce doesn't mean, hey girl, right? And I used to cook for my husband, and I used to cook for my boyfriend at the time. Sean was my boyfriend at the time. Close the door behind you, please. And then at one point I was like, I don't see why I must cook for him and him not marry me. So I stopped cooking, and I was like, order your food, get some KFC, whatever it may be. And he called Kevin. He called my cousin to complain. He's like, she doesn't cook for me anymore, and it's so sad. But now I'm at the point in my life where my husband can afford to have somebody hired to cook for us. If she's not there, sure, I'll cook something. You know, but I don't like cooking, and I find that if you're doing something that you don't like, it's not going to be good.
It's true. It's true. And if you just don't like the cooking and you can afford someone to help you, then help you.
Yeah.
I like cooking for people. I like cooking for Scott. I like cooking for people and knowing that it's something they're going to like. It's just that the cooking takes a lot of time and energy, and you know, it's something that you have to think about. So I always enjoy when I don't have to cook, and cooking every day gets lame really quick, but I do cook.
It takes a lot of time too, that the prepping, the cutting up the things and all that. It takes a lot of
Somebody
time.
says, Tracy, don't pick on Jodi because it's only foreign food you can cook, and that
Don't
counts.
that don't count.
It's true. Do you know I don't cook any Jamaican food?
Oh,
but I find that Jamaican food is a lot of.
I can't say Drew, help me out. What I must block?
I do find that Jamaican food is a lot of fried stuff, and I don't usually eat a lot of fried stuff because, you know, I usually fry my things in hopes and dreams. So, I find that I don't do a lot of Jamaican.
So somebody else says if I'm reading properly, because I'm saying, hi Winnie. basically you're not cooking until the ring goes on. I think that you kind of have to like be a peacock, but a female peacock. I think you have to kind of show your skills. I think you have to kind of show what you can offer and then make the man say like, yeah, me want to marry that, instead of, you know, you
by the way, this comment is killing me. By Sophia Day. Oh, I just fell.
Stop that. Winsome, but you're always cooking. You're always cooking. She likes to bake, and Winsome can bake really well. I love my banana bread. I love my when Winsome bring over the warm cookies.
No, the warm cookies are killer. If I have to lock this door one more time.
Does your drink have alcohol in it?
Which drink?
No, which drink? No.
Never. I mean, clearly, I just wanted to get to the drink so badly that I had to rip it open instead of use a straw.
So just a little reminder here, we are drinking a little bit of Lady Bee Mixology, and she's available in quite a few stores. I cannot remember any right now.
Wonder why?
Where is she available?
Not sure.
Lady Bee, are you here? She's in more than one.
Not sure.
Can't remember. Wow, this one is really good. What is this? Grapefruit, rosemary, watermelon, spicy.
But I didn't know how to cook before I got to Jamaica, because it was kind of Scott that made me.
I'm sorry, where did you
cooking.
come from?
When I was in Barcelona. I remember I was born there, lived there.
Oh, right, you were born in Barcelona and lived there, and then you came to Jamaica as an indentured worker. Lady Bee, I'm sorry, this is excellent. Can you just remind me where these are available, please? I don't know, you're from Barcelona though.
Wow, so anyway, the other day I got lost in Spanish.
Butcher's Block? Thank you.
Yes.
Just recently in Butcher's Block.
The other day I got lost in Spanish Town, so when I got home, mommy called me, she's like, yo, are you okay today? I was like, yeah, I got lost in Spanish Town. Hey, mama, you missing Barcelona that much?
Cannonball Cafe, Jamaica Food and Drink, the Commissary JA is where you can get Lady Bee Mixology. And guys, honestly, like, this is like my favorite person. Butcher's Block JA. We said that one, I remember that one. This would have been actually good. You know what I should have said to her, like, oh, we're going to the country, get a couple dozen like what I did last time. I totally forgot. But I did remember to order the 2 gallons for Remi's birthday.
Good job.
Lady Bee Mixology is just like she's like a family member. But like a dark skinned family member, because I don't think the Riley can mix a good drink.
I know. Riley
can't mix a good drink.
No, Riley can't mix a good drink, but
oh, Remi's out there banging down the door.
who is there?
Who's that? Bust the door. But bust the door? What does Scott want? Scott, when will come on the show? Hey, Scott, have a seat. What do you have here?
Hi, Steve.
Got some tequila shots.
Come and do a shot with me. Have a seat.
Wait, this one is
Hello, everybody, and welcome.
And by the way, I'm not bleaching. This is sunblock.
All right.
Yeah, this is yours.
wow.
It's vacay. Say,
And
Mama.
some salt.
So what do we do?
If you want to.
No, because I already think that on last holiday that because I want to see a willy. Not because I wanted to see a willy, but that I said I wanted to see a willy.
Okay.
Hello, but to my TikTok to see Scott's willy.
Cheers.
Ready?
Babe, it's struggling over there.
Well, where you got this from?
I bought it when I went to Miami last week.
Oh, very good.
Yeah. Isn't it? Steve is not.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take
Somebody
it.
says, oh gosh, she looks like Remi. Say, Mama, don't take no shots.
Listen, Lan.
Don't take no shots.
Let's see if we eat lime for the first time. Ready?
Now you have to, Tracy, you have to squeeze out some. Watch her, watch her.
Nice.
Squeeze out some mandarin burner. Of course she wouldn't want to eat it.
You like it?
Come, Baba. Bedtime.
What is on his face? We're at the beach. What do you think is on his face? Inshore?
Sunblock, me nah bleach. And I bleach me, I bleach.
It's sunblock.
You want that? What is that? You want that? What is that?
Tracy didn't drink the whole thing. Give me some more scotch gone.
Salt. Scott.
Scone.
So bye to everybody. Stevie, wave.
Okay,
Wave.
bye.
Bye. Alright.
Maybe just change our pan because it's a little wet.
Okay.
Bye, Stevie.
And then 4 ounces and bed.
Jojo?
The susu is on.
Jojo?
Yeah.
She won't say my name.
See how my baby is so brown? She cutie.
Close the door. She's so cute. When guys put on their own sunscreen, that is how it looks. I don't know why anybody is like surprised. When men put on their sunblock, they look like...
No, but honestly, we were in the pool swimming too, and you know the pool, like,
it washes out.
No,
Remi? What, Remi just comes, open the door?
It puts the reflection on the pool, puts it to your face. So he was there, and I said, kids sunblock. He was like, I can't bother. So he just
why,
like,
yeah,
so
why,
hard.
but why is anybody surprised? Man put on sunblock, it look like that? Scott needs to brown up. No, guys, so the sun is very damaging. It's very, very damaging.
I'm sunblock queen, so I make Scott do all the sunblock every day. I try to encourage him to put on sunblock. He doesn't like it, but I
want to tell you the app that I downloaded. The sunblocks that I have out there are rated poor.
They want this. Really?
Yeah.
I want to know about the ones I have, the Korean one and the...
Okay, let's see Remi. Remi just ran away. Remi is very busy. Remi's very, very busy.
Remi's hilarious. She's hilarious. I wish you could hear her voice.
Mommy,
oh my gosh, she talks like cousin Sabrina.
Yes!
She talks like her cousin Sabrina.
Yes, when we used to laugh at Sabrina, we're like, how she talks so? And my child speaks like that.
She talks like her cousin Sabrina.
A brow tutorial, they look awesome. Oh, thank you.
Do you know, Jodi, I asked you for tweezers today and you did not bring the tweezers?
You asked me one time, you have to ask me 3 times, and I'm like,
I would
have
liked to have the tweezers. Sean is sending you a message.
Tracy, just stop.
Gobble.
I hate when you read my messages from Sean. Stop. Just stop.
Gobble.
Tracy, stop. Sure.
If you were here.
We need sun in moderation, correct. But you have to cover your face, put on your sunblock, and you'll still get sun. What was that he gave us for the shots? It was very nice.
Tequila, Avion, or Avion, or whatever. I asked him to bring a bottle of tequila back. But I like El Jimador tequila.
El Jimador?
We can get that one out here. Actually, I was listening on the radio that
yes,
the selection of liquor that Jamaicans drink has changed in the past
significantly.
Yeah, and it was the guy from CPJ, I think it was, and they were talking about how has it changed, and he was like, well, he was like, we're actually moving more. He's like, Hennessy cannot keep on the shelves. He's like, it's ridiculous. No Hennessy can keep on the shelves.
Hennessy slowed out.
And he said it can't keep on the shelves. And he said that Jamaicans are now drinking more tequila.
Really?
Yeah, and he was like, it's so funny because like now the companies are having to do research on tequila because tequila has different flavor palettes and whatever, just like rums or
Mezcal is the best.
I
know that one.
Yes. But mezcal isn't tequila. It's on the same spectrum of tequila, but it's distilled a different way. Am I correct? I'm not really sure. I think that's what I remember.
Excuse me. You heard that?
Yeah.
Sorry. Shit. So disgusting. So I remember.
Yeah, but you know, you can go to CPJ. They have tequila there, and they were saying that I was saying El Jimador is good, and they have a
Nushi Bunting, I'm not speaking to you. When are you coming to check me? So I wonder if you guys, like, you have a friend, right, that you love, and you used to date her brother, but that's a part.
Nushi is more like a idea.
She's an idea. I love that, like an idea, and you love the idea. But then the idea fades away, and then it comes back, and then it comes back. Yeah, Nushi's an idea, a very nice idea. I love Nushi as an idea.
Nushi's more like an idea. That is for sure.
Oh, she says tomorrow. The idea is coming through tomorrow. We shall see. Best set of legs on an idea I've ever seen. If I had that idea's legs,
oh my gosh.
Have
you seen Stevie's legs though?
Stevie has nice legs. Stevie has nice legs. Stevie got the nicest set of legs because our very English granny gave us some stubby legs. The stubby legs came, Don Julio, but the stubby legs came with batties, so me and Tracy have a nice round bumper. Cause remember I said it to you today, I was like, yeah, when you lie down, your bottom looks so
tight. Put on some weight, so it's
that's good. Keep the weight on. When you're too skinny, you look draw down, and you get yes, Winsome, Nushi is here. Can you imagine? I could do it another one of those shots.
I could do it another one of these Lady Bees. How come this is how my Lady Bee looks this
Tracy,
week?
honestly,
I really must.
She says she's bringing king crabs, and there's a whole room for you too. Nushi, I will link you after. Me can't bother with you know. Me can't bother with Nushi. The idea of Nushi is great.
Who do you love? Are you for sure? Is asking.
Tricky's corner, not so yet. Not so yet. You know, so if you want to find out more about the house that we're staying in and the history of it and how we are so, I want to say, deeply connected to this house, you can head on over to my YouTube channel. And about a year ago I posted a story about our vacation house in Silver Sands. The Queen once stayed here when she came to Jamaica.
So go check that out. Anyway, so I guess I can start my Tricky's corner now.
Go for it.
You know, I want to start my Tricky's corner off, and I want to talk about being a good support to people that are choking. No.
Spicy.
I want to talk about how to be, what is a word, you know? Because sometimes, I don't know what the word is, but you know, sometimes people do you wrong, or maybe not do you, maybe do you wrong is too strong, or maybe people say things to you that you know are not true, but then you find out they're not true, and then you just have to like be cordial to them anyway.
Like somebody's a mean bitch to you, and you still have, like, because of a situation you have to be nice to them.
Yeah. And so something happened to me recently, and I was like, oh, do I say something and just mash up the dolly house and make the whole situation totally awkward, or do I just like pretend that like I'm play dumb? And sometimes I think it's better to play dumb.
Keep the peace. Keep the peace.
Sometimes I think it's better. I think it's better to like know. Only sometimes. Only sometimes. Not all the time. Just not all the time. More time. But sometimes I think it's better to play dumb and just pretend that you don't know, or pretend that like everything is okay, and just know people for who they are and where they're standing, and then you can know how to maneuver around the situation. What do you guys think about that? Like, have you guys been in any situations where you've had to just maneuver around it? It's something that is You want to come and say hi?
Was Nano?
I don't know.
Anyway, I've been asking Jodi for these tweezers so I could pluck these two hairs on my chin.
Hi, Jen!
Cousin.
You want to come and say hi? So we had this is Riley's mom, this is Jen. Jen, how exactly are you related to us?
Because she's married to JJ, who is our cousin.
Yeah, but explain, break it down.
So JJ's dad and our grandpa are brothers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just running around with all the kids in the cart.
We just took some good shots. Did you do that?
I didn't.
I'm gonna comment. It was, what are you talking about, Jen? It was so smooth.
Why is she just yamming the lime?
I don't like tequila, it was gross.
It was really good. It was very smooth. Taste this.
Oh, what happened?
Taste this. This is grapefruit, rosemary, watermelon. It's a little bit spicy. So why you have to broke up my straw like that? What is wrong with my Tracy?
This is what I need to buy straw, okay? Jesus, the straws are terrible.
That's much better than that.
I'm ready to get back to the party.
Wait, okay. So guys, we're going to finish up soon because Tracy's ready to get back to the party. Our cousins are here.
Tequila! Tequila's going on.
It seems like Scott has found the tequila, so tonight's going to be a basically shit
and
show.
I want to go and have a good time while Stevie's sleeping. Okay, we have to wrap up.
But Stevie's just going down now. So when Tracy and I were younger, and we used to, we found the Tia Maria, we found a closet, and we realized that this was liquor. But we're still pretty, we're like in our young teenagers. So we would be like, yo, let's...
Did you guys see the video of Chris Brown the other day? My boyfriend. I'm still in love with you, boy.
You should have paid $1,000 and he would have taken a nice picture with it anyway. So me and Tracy took like, we would take swigs of the Tia Maria and then we would walk around the kitchen when mom and daddy were sleeping doing this.
Cha 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 cha. So anyway, before I before I got married to my pseudo Chris Brown, right? I was
Scott looks nothing like Chris Brown.
Have you ever seen him on the dance floor?
Yes, I have.
And
he looks like a fucking bulldozer with wings. He does not look like Chris Brown, Tracy. I'm so
Jodi,
sorry.
He does.
No, I'm Tracy.
You are such a hater. My
no.
husband can dance. That is not true.
Tracy, he
Jodi,
takes up so much space. Chris Brown is like a worm with like an like a worm like on an
Jodi,
escalator.
that's not true.
Scott is like a bulldozer with wings. What are you talking about?
Jodi, that is not true.
No,
Scott
sorry.
is so sexy and those moves are so fluid. What are you talking about?
What do you mean fluid? Tracy, he like knocked over some. Oh my god, I can't.
Who did he knock over?
Somebody.
He knocked over nobody.
He knocked over somebody.
When I buy my outfits for Scott and he puts them on, he looks so handsome.
Scott is here. Stevie down. Let's do some more shots.
Come, I was saying that you are the best dancer
Hold on,
ever.
let me wash my face because I'm going to tell you some of that.
No, leave the sunblock on because you're gonna get burnt.
Come.
Just leave it on. I'm gonna put on sunblock too.
Do the rifle walk, Scott. Show them how to rifle walk.
Oh, want to do the bones?
Yeah. Watch it. Hey. Yeah, rifle walk. Okay, yeah, rifle walk. Yeah, watch it. Yeah, do it. Watch it. Hey, watch it, digibones.
Digibones?
Yeah, digibones. Watch it. Digibones. Why is your shirt so dirty though? What are you wearing? You look like you're chopping wood.
No, but they can't see that.
Chop the wood.
I like your banana pants.
Chop the wood. Okay, chop the wood. Yeah. Okay. Watch it. Oh, jump with it. Yeah. Alright. Hey. See?
More shots?
More shots. Here you go.
Yeah.
I'll lick a fill up if you don't mind. Alright everybody, so we are at 16 minutes past 2 and as you know we come to you live every Tuesday at 1:30 for Tuesdays with Tricky, and this time we are
We're just going to tender, so I was just
very tender. I need to wee so bad. So we are now going to we just big up to Lali, big up to everybody, big up to all the performers
Lali,
over at
I love you.
Big up to all the spillage. Big up to all the performers over at Dream Weekend. And I'm sorry, I'm not at Dream Weekend, but I was like,
wait, I don't want this.
Oh, that's it. It has lipstick.
Lime.
I'll take the lime. I want lime. Yes, babes.
Can I change?
Yeah, but you can't come. You're naked. Stay right there. Stay right there. You'll get me in trouble. Okay.
Come.
Cheers.
Alright, everybody. Don't show her. I don't know how to edit that out.
Why?
That's it for another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky. Big up to Bermuda. Big up to everybody at Dream Weekend. You look like you guys are having a great time. And we just want to say big up to everybody. And have a...
Bye with your big ups. Bye with
the big ups. Everybody have a wonderful time.
A wonderful holiday.
A wonderful holiday season.
Emancipendence is my favorite word.
Emancipendence.
Emancipendence.
Sit down.
What was I going to say? Okay, so tune into our YouTube channel where there'll be a repeat of this show in high definition. I will also put the links to the things that we said. Tracy, I hope you remember. Also, at 7 o'clock this evening, we'll be premiering Tracy's video on how to make a sushi bake. Also, make sure you go over to Road Ready TV at Friday.
Bye, guys. We're gone.
At Friday at I think it's 7 o'clock. And we'll be talking about where Road Ready will be heading next. And you can ask me questions. And I'm going to try. Actually, I won't be so bad. Definitely won't be so bad because it's going to be Friday. So we will see you guys on Friday. Love you guys. Thank you so much for your interactions, for your hearts, and to Bermuda.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Okay, bye. Okay, that's it. Okay, hold on. Yes, baby.
What's going on in Bermuda?
Because I said bye from Bermuda. Oh, how do you turn this off? Hold on.
Oh.
Yes.